Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to post a photo on Instagram Feeds easy and quick. First open Instagram Feeds and now if you want to post photos like everyone does, it's easy. All you have to do, click here and then click this icon. You will see it here, click on it and now just wait. After that you can upload a photo. Just select any video or photo that you want and click done, and that's it. Now just type anything you want and then click post, and that's it as you see. And I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.